What's up, my YouTubers? Today is a sad day in my neighborhood. Yep, very sad day. See all the work I put in. I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but I was going through problems with the owner due to like not knowing on what he wanted to do, like, you know, labor cost and everything. So what he's gonna do is he's gonna ship the car to the Dominican Republic and get it done there and pay me for my labor, for what I've done so far. The whole inside is stripped out. He felt as if he was going to switch out the wire harness, you know, cut certain wires and redo it, but I told him we had to do it all the way, like put new wire harness. You know, a lot of stuff was actually trashed, like all the suspension parts, all the motor mounts. With that being said, let me show you. If you look here, it's been destroyed. Obviously, you can tell. Look at the bearing on the steering, rack and pinion. Here is the that's the air suspension. All that's done. This whole car has to be stripped all the way down. I'm talking about all the way down to the butt. Has to be stripped. So that's why I haven't been making a lot of videos on it, because the owner, he didn't know what he wanted to, he didn't know what he wanted to do with the car. You know, I did a lot of work. I wasn't just sitting around, but the owner didn't want to do the work, so he's gonna go ahead and ship it to Dominican Republic and see how much they're gonna charge him, which is gonna be a lot cheaper. So I understood that, and he just needed me to, you know, snug up everything so it can get shipped. If you didn't, subscribe now, like my videos, comment, good or bad. It's just a sad day in my neighborhood, man. I'm out.